This RE/MAX Equity Group property video is presented by Nancy Rasmussen. Welcome home to this one level 3 bedroom, 2 bath home with 2,342 square feet. On 0.25 acres. Located in the sought-after Randall's Brookhaven neighborhood. The open floor plan has large picture windows, vaulted ceilings and lots of light. The kitchen, dining and primary bedroom look out to the large, private backyard. The primary bedroom opens to the deck with a hot tub. Enjoy the open living space and the relaxing covered back patio. Great location and easy access to shopping, dining and great schools. For more information, review the details below or contact Nancy Rasmussen at 503-320-3771.